እንደምን ከረማችሁ ዛሬ በአድቨርቢያል ክሎዝ ተመልሰናል. I hope you are dealing with the questions or the national exam questions in our website, and today's lesson is about adverbial clause. As usual, let's start from the definition. An adverbial clause is a dependent clause that function as an adverb እንደማን እንደ adverb የሚያገለግል modifying a verb, an adjective or an adverb or another adverb. ያው adverboች ሁልጊዜ ስራቸው ምንድነው? ፈንክሽናቸው modify ማድረግ ነው. modify የሚያደርጉት verb ነው, adjectiveዎችን ነው ወይንም ሌላ adverb modify ማድረግ ነው አይደል ስራቸው adverb. ስለዚህ adverbial clause ደግሞ በክሎዝ መልክ ሲመጡ ፈንክሽናቸውን አይለቁም. ዛሬ ክሎዙን ነው የምናወራው. it provides information about how. አሁን ብዙ ኢንፎርሜሽን ይሰጡናል. ለምሳሌ how, when, where, why, to what extent, under what circumstance or conditions something happens የሚሉትን ይነግሩናል እነዚህ ክሎዞች ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ እንደዚህ uses of adverbial ክሎዞች ላይ ስንሄድ እንዳልኳችሁ አዲሽናል ዲቴይል ነው የሚሰጡን። አንድ ነገር እንዴት የሆነበትን ሁኔታ፣ ፕሌሱን፣ ሪዝኑን፣ ማነሩን፣ to what extent የሚለውን፣ to what condition የሚለውን ነገሮች በሙሉ ሊነግሩን ይመጣሉ ማለት ነው። እነዚህም በሙሉ ጥያቄዎች ለምሳሌ እነ when እነ where እነ why እነ how in what condition to what degree to what extent የሚሉትን ጥያቄዎች መልሰውልን የሚያልፉት በሴንቴንስ ውስጥ ምን ይባላሉ? adverbial clause ይባላሉ ማለት ነው። adverbial clause ምን አይነት ታይፖች አሏቸው እነማን ናቸው የሚለውን እያየን እንሄዳለን። adverbial clause of time የመጀመሪያው ነው። it indicates ያው ስሙ እንደሚያመለክተን it indicates when something happens አንድ ነገር መቼ happen እንዳደረገ ይነግረናል ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ I will call you when I arrive. አያችሁ this whole clause tells us about the time when I arrive. የኔ arrival ወይንም የደረስኩበት ሰዓት መቼ መሆኑን የሚነግረን the whole phrase ምን እንለዋለን? adverbial clause of time እንለዋለን. We said that this an adverbial clause of time because time indicator when የሚለው እንትን ስላለን ማለት ነው። after the meeting ends we can go for a walk or for a lunch we can say. after the meeting ends የምትለዋ the whole clause ምን ትባላለች? adverbial clause of time እንላታለን. Why do we call that? Because it is a clause plus it tells us about some time because it says what? After the meeting ends ይላል. So after የምትለው word it tells us about the time when we go for a lunch ማለት ነው። next I will meet you when the class finishes. still when the class finish የምትለው the whole clause ምንድነው? adverbial clause of time እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። so this whole clause is an adverbial clause of time because time indicator when ስላለች ልክ after እንዳለች እዚህም when እንዳለች እዚህ ጋርም when የምትለዋ word tells us about the time when we are going to meet or we will meet. we waited until the rain stopped. እስከ መቼ ነው የጠበቅነው? until the rain stopped. so it tells us about the time that we waited until the rain stopped የሚለውን እስከምን ድረስ እንደጠበቅን ታይሙን ያሳየናል ማለት ነው። እና until እና when እና after እና before ምናምን it tells us about a time. so the whole clause together with these words we call them adverbial clause of time ብለን እንጠራዋለን ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ታይፕ adverbial clause of place ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ the place where something happens የሚለውን ኢንዲኬት የሚያደርግ ነው። where something happens አንድ ነገር የት ተካሄደ፣ ቅድም መቼ ተካሄደ፣ በምን ጊዜ ተካሄደ የሚለውን ሲነግረን አሁን ደግሞ አንድ ድርጊት መቼ የት ቦታ ተካሄደ የሚለውን ወይም እንዴት happen አደረገ የሚለውን ይነግረናል። ለምሳሌ we will meet where we always do. የት ነው የምንገናኘው? ሁል ጊዜ የምንገናኝበት ቦታ። see it tells us about the place because of the word where. so this whole clause is a adverbial clause of time. he works where they make the best coffee. so where do you think that this person works? a place where they make the best coffee. she looked where the treasure was buried. you see she looked where የት ነው የምታየው? the place where the treasure was buried. all these are the blue words or the blue clause is adverbial clauses. the third is adverbial clause of reason. here we talk about a reason. it explains why something happens. as long as it talks about the reason it tells us about why something happens. for example I didn't go to the party because I was feeling sick, it says. because I was feeling is a adverbial clause of time because of the word because. the whole clause become adverbial clause of reason. since it is raining we should stay inside. እየዘነበ እስከሆነ ድረስ ቤት ውስጥ መቆየት አለብን። what is the reason why we should stay inside? because or since it is raining. this is again another adverbial clause of reason ማለት ነው። እነዚህ common adverbials እነዚህ adverbial clause of reason የሚያሳዩ common adverbials ምን ናቸው? because አለን፣ since አለን፣ as አለን፣ ዛት አለን። እነዚህን የተጠቀመ ክሎዝ it tells us about the reason why something happens ስለሆነ እነዚህ adverbials ያሉበት ክሎዝ adverbial clause of reason ይባላል። they cancelled the event because the weather was bad. The whole clause is a adverbial clause of reason because of there is an adverbial because. She is upset as she lost her favorite book. As she lost her favorite book የሚለው the whole clause we call it adverbial clause of reason እንለዋለን። Why? As long as there is an adverbial as tells us about the reason why she became upset, so the whole clause it is a clause tells us about the reason, so that we call it adverbial clause of reason. I am glad that you have come. Why do you think that this person is glad? Because that you have come. So the adverbial that is used to be for this clause to be called adverbial clause of reason because there is an adverbial that. So if a clause contains such adverbials like because, since, as, in, that, it is an adverbial clause of reason.